Take this as one of the simplest styles I have. So I'm going to be sharing the steps you're going to use in achieving it. The first thing you're going to do is grab all the material like this and direct it towards your head the way it is being displayed on the screen. Now I have all the materials direct to the front like this. So I'm going to gather it neatly and direct right to left and left to right. Moving forward, we're going to take one part of the material and stretch it out gently like this. We're going to stretch it out, then that stretching out is going to cover the middle part of our hair, and we'll find a way to secure the excess. You can see the way I directed the excess and I dip it in. So this is what we have for the back. Moving to the front again, the other flap, I'm just going to stretch it out and begin to pick up the pleat bit by bit till the fabric is being exhausted. I'm going to fold a bit in from this side. Then I have this kind of look and I think I love it, so I'm going to leave it here, and the next thing I'll do is grab an office pin and tack it down and use my hand to adjust the necessary part to give me the final look that I think I love. So here's the final look, guys, and I'll be waiting for thanks in the